Hello, my name is Kara Smith, Senior Director of Channel Enablement here at VIOLIN Systems. We had some great feedback on our first VDI video, so we decided to take a deeper dive into VDI with Todd Harris, our Senior Solutions Architect. Todd, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
Great. Todd, let's dive right in. Sounds like there are 4 VDI metrics to keep in mind. So let's take them one at a time. Starting with the first one is CPU, right?
Yep, CPU. CPU, depends on the number of cores you have. I think my normal recommendation is between 6 and 8 user or virtual desktops per core that you have inside your virtual environment, the processing. Again, you also have those power users who are going to use a lot more intensive processing than your normal everyday users. So it might be somewhere between 4 and 6 for those kind of users.
Okay, great insights. So the second metric is memory.
Yeah, memory, again, same thing. You got the difference between your normal everyday users and your power users that are using highly graphical intensive applications. And even in today's environment where people are doing a lot of video conferencing, you may need a little bit more. But on average, I'd say 4 to 6 gigabytes of RAM per virtual desktop. And then for those power users, again, bump that up to 6 to 8.
Okay. So number 3 is IOPS. What should we be looking for there?
IOPS, IOPS, I generally, again, break it down into the normal everyday users and then your power users. Again, they're using highly intensive applications. So your general user is going to use around 75 to 100, 150 IOPS. So plan for that. If you have power users, 200 to 250 IOPS per virtual desktop is probably a good number to go with.
Okay. And last one, capacity. What do people find important there?
Yeah, capacity, as far as the initial storage goes, 8 gigabytes per virtual desktop is more than sufficient for most of that virtual desktop deployments. If you want to dedicate some additional storage per desktop, that's just fine. But say you only need to use 8 only because people are using file servers for file sharing. They're using SharePoint. They're using Office 365. So there's not as many disk resources needed.
Okay.
Great thing is with the VIOLIN QV 2020 product is that, on just a 2U platform, we can handle over 3,000 of those power user types, and just in the number of IOPS and the amount of space that's required for them.
Fantastic. Thanks so much, Todd, for the 4 key VDI metrics. We really appreciate your time.
Yep.
VIOLIN has plenty of partners that specialize in VDI. If you're interested in learning more, email us at the address in the post above. Thanks, and see you next time.